As much as we want to parent positively and treat our kids in ways that make them feel good, sometimes we lose it. Sometimes our patience is so far stretched that it's become see-through, and the next thing you know, you're in the middle of yelling and saying things that sound like an echo of your parents. This can leave us feeling bad and saying things to ourselves like, "I've got no patience, I'm a useless parent." This self-talk then leads us to try to make it up to our kids, apologising when they're not ready to hear it and when we're not ready to hear what they've got to say. This can then lead easily into round two. Repairing with your child or adolescent after an argument is incredibly important for the relationship and for their growth. And here's a few benefits of repair. You show your kids that you can take responsibility for your feelings and behaviour, and in doing so, positively model how to repair in relationships. It says that even adults make mistakes and that mistakes can be fixed. You show your kids that they're important and you care about how they feel. By apologising, you're saying there are better ways to handle angry feelings. You strengthen the relationship by demonstrating that difficult times can be worked through. So, what's the best way to go about the repair if you've gotten angry at your kids? Don't say anything for a few minutes. Anything you say immediately after you've yelled is likely going to be driven by big emotions or guilt and not by thinking. So before attempting a repair, ask yourself whether you can say sorry without the but. When we apologise too early, we're often looking for an out, and the sorry but you shouldn't have, etc. might alleviate us of our guilt but can leave kids feeling bad and without an apology. The sorry but isn't owning our behaviour. When you feel calm, ask your child or teenager if you can speak with them. Be prepared that they might say no. If they say no, then ask them to let you know when they're ready to talk. Their readiness might be as subtle as them coming out into the same room as you or asking for something to eat. If you've got permission from your child to speak with them, sit as close as they will allow. Remember, they might still be cranky and not ready for physical closeness, and let them know that you're sorry for yelling or getting cranky. After you've said sorry, leave a couple of seconds for it to absorb, and then you might say, "I think I could have handled that better." If your apology is accepted, then maybe you might ask if you can give your child or adolescent a hug, but don't expect any enthusiasm about it. Of course, it's also important to address the reason that you felt cranky with your child, but this can come later, when you and your kids are in the right emotional space. We hope this has been useful in helping you to repair with your kids after an argument. If you like what we've shared today, then like our page and share it with other parents. Bye for now.